Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Yolanda and I am glad you're watching this really quick video. Join me while I make a quick yummy lunch using homemade pinto beans that I started earlier this morning. I had soaked them before the sun came up, I think it was like at 4 o'clock in the morning. And after soaking them, I rinsed them, and there you can see I am adding my prime rib beef broth. And I do have a video that I uploaded already on how I made this beef broth, and this was from my leftover prime rib. So I'm gonna cook the beans in this, and because remember they were already soaked, so this is just gonna have a lot, these beans are gonna have a lot of flavor. My goal is to have these beans ready by my lunchtime, which is usually around 1 o'clock, 1:30. All right, so here are the beans. They came out beautiful, and I honestly cannot wait to taste them. All right, now I'm going to be frying the beans in some bacon fat and bacon bits. Now remember, this isn't a fancy video today. It's just me making a quick lunch, and I just wanted to share it with you. The only takeaway though is next time you make a pot of homemade beans, make it with beef broth, because after you've soaked them and rinsed them and put this broth in there and you cook it with the broth, wow, the flavor is rich and delicious. I will always make my pot of beans with beef broth now. I can't go back. This was literally probably the best pot of beans I've ever made. It seriously brought my beans up a notch. Now I'm gonna stop talking and I'll let you enjoy watching me assemble these tostadas, and you'll see me taste them at the end. All right, here's the taste test. I know you noticed that I put a lot of onions. I love onions. I had to have onions. Look how beautiful they look. For a really quick lunch, not too shabby. Oh my gosh. Wow. These are so good. The homemade beef broth really brought these beans up a notch. And the bacon fat and bacon gave it the most flavor. Ah, so good. Simple, quick, and absolutely delicious. Thank you for having lunch with me. And don't forget to like and subscribe.